Welcome to our 1971 Airstream Tradewind Land Yacht Series. We purchased this in the past year and had it completely renovated and customized to new. We were previous owners of a 19-foot Bambi. We loved that, but we wanted features that more met our outdoor lifestyle. We wanted colors that were better. We wanted cabinetry and latches that were better. And so we are going to show you our vehicle that we are selling. Some of the important features, just to give everyone the heads up, we have 400 watts of solar. We have a 3,000 watt inverter. We have a brand new 200 amp lithium battery. And that's just some of what we're going to show you. Come along and enjoy the tour. So unfortunately, we do need to sell our labor of love because as is happens, work and recreation circumstances changed, and now we're going to sell this. But please let us know what you think, and we hope you enjoy the tour. Thank you. We also put in an outdoor shower that has both hot and cold running water. Welcome to our living and dining area. Wanted to point out a few features. We have thick curtains. We have 2 custom copper sconces. We have Scotchgard fabric on the cushions. And now I'm going to show you how easily the dining area converts to a bed area. First, the table can pivot for convenience in whatever seating arrangement you want, and then it easily converts to a bed. Voila. Tell me when. We put in our microwave. We have a separate large freezer as well as a nice size refrigerator. Now we are going to head back into the trailer. We do have a nice split bathroom with another copper sink. We have a medicine cabinet. This is our separate shower with some additional copper as well as custom teak floor mats and seat mats. We have a separate vent fan. Welcome to our bedroom. We have some additional copper lamps that were made. We have cabinets with metal clasps on both sides. Our mattress is 48 by 80, which roughly is between a double and a queen. One of the unique things of this mattress is that it's in a box frame, which I'm going to show you. For a large amount of underneath storage. Also in the bedroom is one of our 400 watt electric heating panels. Both the bedroom and the living room have fans which can serve to go bi-directional. Now for our kitchen, we have this unique pass-through shelf. We have some of our additional copper accents. We have the 2-burner propane stove. One of the highlight features of the kitchen is our copper sink with our butcher block tops that double as cutting boards. Voila! In the kitchen, you'll note the custom wood cabinets with the metal latches. That was key to what we wanted. We got rid of all plastic latches. We've kept the original bumper for storage, but what we've done is through a separate hitch apparatus, we've added this storage box with quite a bit of room. Which should be noted is the entire apparatus can be pulled off of the hitch, but additionally we have a hitch that works quite well for a bike rack.